So I have recently purchased an InstantPot air fryer lid and I would like to show the functionality and a recipe with it. Hi, this is Sandhya and welcome to my kitchen. It came with an air fryer lid and a base to rest the lid and also a basket. So this is where you put in your ingredients, meat or french fries and anything that you want to air fry or bake, and that goes into the inner pot. And then you close the lid and then select your functionality. It does not lock as it usually does with our normal InstantPot lid. So there are different functionalities that come with this lid. There is air fry, boil, bake, roast, reheat and dehydrate. These are the buttons to adjust the timings. This is to start, cancel, and this is to adjust your temperatures when you're baking. Few tips with this air fryer lid is the air fryer lid gets very hot once it's done, and you need to keep the base handy so that you replace it back on the base itself. And the second tip is the outer surface of the basket gets really hot, though it doesn't look like it, but if you touch it accidentally, you're sure to burn your skin. So please use your mittens when you're handling the inner basket. Please use aluminium foil to make a base on the bottom of the InstantPot liner. So that when you are baking and if there are any drippings, it just is gonna fall into the aluminium foil and it's much easier to clean it. You'll still have to clean the basket, but you'll not have to clean the liner. To demonstrate how it works, I would like to share with you a very simple tandoori chicken with store-bought masalas. I have posted a recipe about this on Instagram and a lot of you asked for a video and I hope this helps. I have around 2 pounds of leg quarters and a store-bought tandoori chicken masala. For this, I'll need a cup of thick yogurt, 1 lime juice, 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm gonna use some food coloring, and this is red food coloring. Red food coloring is optional, but if you want to have that authentic look, please go ahead and use it. So let's look at the marination. First, add in your tandoori masala. You can use any store-bought tandoori masala, they're all the same. These are available in either Amazon or any of the Indian stores. But add in your lime juice, add oil. If you're gonna use food color, please use gloves and mix this thoroughly. So here I have used the leg quarters for the authentic look, but you can use any bone-in meat. So if you notice, the meat has some cuts in it. That's how the marination gets into the meat well. So if you're gonna use large pieces, make sure you're gonna make some cuts in the pieces. Rub the marination well. So this is mixed well. So I'm gonna let it rest for around 30 minutes. If you can leave the marination for around 2 to 3 hours, that's even better. Place the marinated chicken into the basket. So this is a 6-quart InstantPot and this lid works only with 6-quart InstantPot. It's not compatible with all models, so please check the website before making any purchase. So as you can see, I can fit 5 leg quarters inside this. Okay. So plug in your air fryer lid. Place it on top of your InstantPot. And now we are going to set it to air fry and set the temperature to 375. And I'm going to first let the timer be at 10 minutes and press start. So the 10 minutes are done. Now I'm going to hit cancel and very carefully place the lid on top of the base. Please be very cautious. The liner is going to be very hot, and please use your mittens. So I'm going to flip these inside and I'm going to air fry them again. So I want the chicken pieces to be cooked evenly. So I'm going to flip these a bit. So now I'm going to air fry this again. So place the lid back, turn on air fry and set it to 15 minutes and set the temperature to 375 and hit start. While the chicken is being done, I like fresh green chutney to go with the tandoor. So all I have here is a bunch of mint leaves, a bunch of cilantro leaves and 3 green chili and around 2 tablespoons of yogurt. I'm going to add this yogurt into this. Now close the lid and so this is done. Now I'm going to click cancel. Place the lid on the base and check on the pieces. These look like they're perfectly done. So if you look at this piece here, you can notice the meat is perfectly cooked. If you feel your meat is undercooked, put it back for another 5 minutes. So that's it guys, the tandoor chicken recipe is done. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and see you all in the next video. Bye bye.